Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and currently we're at 26 in the boardwalk because you guys had a lot of questions about what happens in the off season, and you asked me if a certain ride is coming back, and so we're going to answer all of that right now. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up, and please put a hat and a scarf on because it is cold outside. Anyway, let's get started. Now, I do have the drone with me, so a lot of these things I'm going to be pointing out, you'll be able to see it once I get the drone in the sky. But before we talk about Surfside Pier, let's talk about Old Dinosaur Beach, which is the maintenance pier for Morey's Pier. Because if you look over right now, you'll notice this very, very shiny, brand new track that is being laid out on the pier, and that is the track to Rolly's Coaster. You see, Rolly's Coaster is going through a massive renovation where they took the entire thing apart. We did a whole video about this, by the way, a few weeks ago. They're taking the whole thing apart, they're rebuilding it and replacing and fixing all of the track. Now that's what's taking place on Dinosaur Beach. Let's go ahead and head over to Morey Surfside Pier. Now you would think that a closed pier, nothing really happens and things are just really quiet. It's the exact opposite at Morey's Piers. This is the time of year where they take apart their rides. They do massive renovation projects. They put things in storage. They move things around the pier. There's a lot of planning so that next season it's ready for you guys. And so right now, there's a lot that's taking place on this pier. Let's go, come on. We're currently outside Joe's Fish Company, and I want to show you guys what it looks like over here. And tell me, do you notice anything? You will in a second. Let me go ahead and zoom all the way to the back. You'll notice over here, we have the rides put together. They'll be probably packaged and sent over the Dinosaur Beach for the winter or sit there. You can see they came from this ride. But if I pan to the left, you will notice something. Do you see it? And now we're not talking about the rides in the back that are covered. We're talking about this little foundation. Do you see that? It is red. It's sitting right there in the middle. Do you know what it is? That is the foundation for the balloon race. That's right, it is coming back. For those who don't remember, the balloon race is the ride that actually looks like hot air balloons that go in a circle. Well, last year you noticed that it was removed from the pier. What had happened is that they needed a certain part, and because of COVID, unfortunately, things were very delayed when it comes to shipping. And they did not get the part in time for the summer. So instead of them rebuilding it in the middle of the summer, they decided to go ahead, refurbish the entire ride to bring it back for 2022. And that's what's going on right now. That is the bottom piece, and then they'll build it up throughout the entire off season. Now, if we walk to the other side, you'll see the foundation and other pieces. There we go. I'm gonna go over. See? There's the foundation. This is the middle ring that actually goes around in the circle. And you can see other parts. And looking around, you can see the part of the ride here is covered. And all the other rides look like they've gone into storage. They removed a couple things. You can see over here in the middle, that ride has been removed for the time being. And we'll walk to this side as well, and probably the other sides, just to go ahead and give you guys more updates and see what's going on the pier. You can see over here, a couple covered pieces. They removed them. It looks like they actually stapled them down to the ground. I'm not sure on what that belongs to, but you can see over here, these are horses and pieces to the carousel. You can see that they're removing it piece by piece. Every other year, they take these completely apart. They paint them. They fix the gears. It looks like that's what's going on right now. You can see that the floor has been removed. So maybe that's what's down here. Maybe that's part of the floor. But it's not every day you see parts of the horses sitting on the side. And here's another angle of showing you guys pretty much what the pier looks like in the off season. Kanga Bounce, you can see they removed all the kangaroos. You can see with it, they took the gondolas off and they tied down the middle section. Here's another shot of the carousel. You can see the floor has been removed and other pieces have been removed as well. So that's what it looks like from ground level. And you know, with the drone, you get a really good bird's point of view of what everything looks like. So let's get the drone in the sky. So that is the drone video. As you can tell from the bird's point of view, you can see a lot of things. You can see the track for roller coaster, you can see the carousel taken apart, and you can see the balloon race being rebuilt. Now, is there anything that I missed in that video? Please let me know in the comment section. I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my Patreons at patreon.com. It's because of your support I'm able to film these fun videos on a random Wednesday. So if you want to go ahead and support this channel, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you on the beach, hopefully on a warmer day. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.